Pretty much everything happens in pairs. If something's going on with one shoe, it's likely to be going on with the other. And it may just be superstitious, but I like to keep them in pairs. These boots came into my shop in need of basic maintenance in the form of a heel repair. The first step is to remove the old part. This is one of those kind of old school heels that was half part leather and part rubber. He's having me just replace it with one single piece. Next step will be to rough out the bottoms, make them level again. Now I'm going to build up this little spot on this one boot. I'm going to glue it. And they're just going to sit there next to one another for a few minutes until the glue is ready to press together. And now we put the leather skiving. These come from just trimming out leather hassles and what have you. Cobblers pretty much save everything for use at a later date. We have boxes of all sorts of miscellany. This is called a 5-in-1. The kids love this tool. It's right at eye level. It does that. It does other things too, but that's what I'm using it for right now. So now I'm going to trim this out and level it so it matches the other, it matches its mate, and then we can slap the heels on it. Heels like this on men's boots and shoes in particular, the glue just really keeps it from squeaking. The nails hold the heel in place primarily, but we use glue as well. I'm going to get these out of the oven now. They're not super hot. It's not about getting them super hot, it's just about warming up the material and the glue. Just feeling with my fingers along the outside so it's centered this way. The finishing stage is where you have to make sure nothing's poking out in strange places. You want to make sure that you did all the repairs that were needed. It's your last chance to catch any mistakes. Highly specialized piece of equipment right here.